So I sold my a73 and I got myself an FX3, but I need a cage for the FX3. It's back ordered with Tilta. So what I did was I have the old 8-sin cage, which was my favorite for the a73, and I tried to modify it. So this is a video of me modifying it. It's been a few weeks already that I did this video, but yeah, I forgot what's in it. But yeah, I'm gonna edit them now and I'm gonna put them up. Yeah, enjoy, guys. Okay, so this is the first iteration of my modification for this thing. Yeah, so once you put it here, you see that I tried to clear it out, that way I can open the door, but it's doable, but it still sucks. This side here we have to clear up the top part so that we can open this, because part of it was hitting, so that should be fine. Yeah, I know the lighting's not good and I have to go down here to get the good lighting, but yeah, I think I just want to get this done and over with. Just used my 8-sin cage and I just cut this one here, that way this one is gonna fit the FX3. Problem now is that I can't open the screen, so I'm not gonna open the screen for now, but yeah, you see I cleared up a big chunk out of here, just grounded it. I just painted it now. I'm not supposed to paint it. Also grounded some parts here where you can open this one and you should be able to open it. But with this cage, you're not able to swing it, turn it around, whatever. Yeah, so that's it. That's it. Bye.
Calm down before you stress up the groove. The energy a little different when the blessings accrue. Hey, who you talking to? Just know I ain't no regular fool. Could be anything in the world, but I can never be you, because I stand tall like I'm on my tiptoes. Baby, you think a little too slow.